Now, let us discuss the surface area of sphere and hemisphere briefly. A sphere is a three-dimensional figure which is made up of all points in the space which lie at a constant distance called the radius, from a fixed point called the center of the sphere. A sphere is like the surface of a ball. Have you ever played with a top, or have you seen anyone playing with it? You must be aware of how a string is wound around it. Now, let us take a rubber ball and drive a nail into it. Taking support of the nail, let us wind a string around the ball. Continue to wind the string around the remaining part of the ball till you have completely covered the ball. Mark the starting and finishing points on the string and slowly unwind the string from the surface of the ball. Now, I am asking you to measure the diameter of the ball, where you can easily get radius as well. Then, on a sheet of paper, draw 4 circles with radius equal to the radius of the ball. Start filling the circle one by one with the string you had wound around the ball. The string, which had completely covered the surface area of the sphere, has been used to completely fill the regions of 4 circles, all of the same radius as of the sphere. So what does that mean? This suggests that the surface area of a sphere of radius r is equal to 4 times the area of circle of radius r, that is 4 pi r square. Therefore, surface area of the sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. As we know, for a sphere, we had one surface which was curved. Now, how about cutting a sphere into 2 equal halves? We get a hemisphere, which is basically the half of a sphere. We already know that surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. So, half of that would be the curved surface area of the hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. Therefore, curved surface area of the hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Now that we have found the curved surface area, what would be the total surface area of a hemisphere? Let us see how to go about it. As we see the hemisphere, the total surface area should be equal to the sum of the curved surface area and the area of the circular base. That is 2 pi r square plus pi r square, which is equal to 3 pi r square. Therefore, total surface area of the hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. Let us now consider a problem. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 cm to 14 cm as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface areas of the balloon in the 2 cases. The solution for the same is as follows. So from the problem, we identify that radius r1 is 7 cm and radius r2 is 14 cm. So what would be the initial surface area? That is with respect to r1, which is equal to 7 cm. That is 4 pi r square. Substituting the values, we get 4 into 22 divided by 7 into 7 into 7, which is 616 cm square. Now, the surface area of r2, which is 14 cm. Therefore, 4 pi r square, which is equal to 4 into 22 divided by 7 into 14, giving you 2464 cm square. So what would be the ratios of the both? That is, ratio of surface area is equal to 616 cm square divided by 2464 cm square, giving you 1 by 4. Now, let us consider another problem. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r in the figure. Now, let us find the surface area of the sphere. The second subpart, curved surface area of the cylinder. The third subpart, ratios of the areas obtained in subpart 1 and subpart 2. Solution for the same is as follows. Surface area of the sphere is given by 4 pi r square. And the curved surface area of the cylinder is given by 2 pi r h. So therefore, we need the height. So height is given by r plus r, which is equal to 2r. And implementing in the same, that is curved surface area of the cylinder, we get 2 pi r h, which is equal to 2 pi r into 2r, giving you 4 pi r square. Now the ratio between the both, that is 4 pi r square divided by 4 pi r square, is equal to 1 divided by 1 or 1:1. Now let us consider another problem. A hemispherical bowl is made of steel 0.25 cm thick. The inner radius of the bowl is 5 cm. Let's now find the outer curved surface area of the bowl. The solution for the same is as follows. The inner radius of the sphere R1 is given as 5 cm and the thickness of the steel sheet, that is R2, is given as 0.25 cm. Outer radius of the sphere is now R is equal to R1 plus R2, that is 5 cm plus 0.25 cm, giving you 5.25 cm. Let's now find the outer curved surface area of the bowl, which is given by 2 pi r square. Plugging the values, we get 173.25 cm square. Let's now summarize. Surface area of a sphere is given by 4 pi r square. Curved surface area of a hemisphere is given by 2 pi r square, and total surface area of a hemisphere is given by 3 pi r square.